Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and we are making a snacks ground beef pitas. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And please click the button bell to get a notification. So here are ground beef cooked. So I add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and then mix well. And you can also use a Greek yogurt. So we have cheese, optional lang po siya. Okay, so here are some of pita bread and cover it with an aluminum foil. Okay, let's start to assemble our ground beef pita snack. And first, we put some lettuce and ground beef mixture. Sa ground beef mixture, pwede po kayong maglagay ng seasoning ng oregano. So, yung iba naglalagay po ng oregano seasoning. But kasi ako po is wala akong oregano seasoning. So, I only use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And the rest, yung iba naglalagay din ng cucumber with tomatoes, but the rest ayaw nila ng merong cucumber. So, it's up to you po. And I put some cheese on top. So, yung iba ayaw ng may cheese. So, para sa akin, masarap ang may keso or may cheese, lalo na yung nagme-melt. So, masarap pong kainin ang ground beef pitas, lalo na po kapag mainit pa ang pita bread. So, here our ground beef pita snack today. So, hope you like it and enjoy watching to my cooking vlog today. So, thank you so much for all of us for coming tonight. And so here our snacks tonight or today, our ground beef mixture. Thank you so much and God bless us all.